Last month, I got a DM from someone on my Instagram. Well, let's call him John. He was 23 years old. He spent $2,000 on a cybersecurity bootcamp that promised him a job in 3 months. He finished the course, got his certificate, and applied to 150 plus jobs, and he had absolute zero interviews, not even one. And he asked me, what did he do wrong? I had to tell him the truth nobody wanted to say. He didn't do anything wrong. He was lied from day one. If you're watching this because you want to break into cybersecurity, I'm going to give you something nobody else will. The real skills companies actually hire for. The real career path that lead into cybersecurity and why AI is both killing entry-level jobs and creating massive opportunities at the same time in cybersecurity. I'm not going to give you any affiliate links or upsell you any course. Just the truth from someone who is working in cybersecurity for the last 17 years, who started his career in technical support, moved to Active Directory administration, and now reviews hundreds of security resumes every year. But here's the deal. If you click away in the next 7 minutes, you'll keep believing the lies. And if you stay until the end, you will know exactly which path matches your background and what months 1 through 18 actually looks like. Let's start with why John had difficulty in finding a job in cybersecurity and why AI just made it harder. John's bootcamp taught him the Security Plus certification material. That's it. They promised him employers were desperate for cybersecurity people and would snap him up immediately. Here's what they didn't tell him. According to 2024 ISC2 cybersecurity workforce study, yes, there are 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs globally. That number is real, but here's what everyone gets wrong about that statistic. Pull up any entry-level cybersecurity job posting. Yes, I'll wait. See that requirement section? 3 to 5 years experience with SIM tools, IDS, IPS, cloud security, etc. The talent shortage isn't for people with a 3-month certificate, but it's for people with 3 to 5 years of hands-on experience. And now AI is making this even harder. Darktrace's 2024 AI security report found that 34% of SOC analysts repetitive tasks like log monitoring, basic alert triage, initial incident categorization are being automated by AI-powered SIM tools. Companies are cutting entry-level SOC positions because AI can do the pattern matching work that used to require a junior analyst. But here's the twist nobody's talking about. According to IBM's 2025 Security Intelligence Index, AI-related security incidents increased 267% year over year. Prompt injection attacks, model poisoning, AI data exfiltration, shadow AI usage in enterprises. We are not eliminating security jobs. We are just transforming them. The jobs AI is killing are tier 1 SOC analyst jobs who stare at dashboards all day. And the jobs AI is creating is AI security specialist, AI governance analyst, people who understand both security and how LLMs can be weaponized. But here's the kicker. You still need the foundational IT knowledge to do either job. The secret here is most companies want you to have IT experience. Before you transition into security, they want help desk experience, system administration experience, network engineering experience. Stop looking for entry-level cybersecurity jobs and start looking for these roles that naturally transition into security. Path 1, IT support or help desk jobs which can transform to SOC analyst. This is the most common path and the one I took. I started in technical support in 2008, answering tickets, resetting passwords, troubleshooting login issues, hardware issues, etc. Then I moved into Active Directory administration, managing user accounts, group policies, access controls. And why this works? Because 60% of security incidents involve compromised credentials or misconfigured access. If you understand how authentication works, how users get access, and how Active Directory trust relationship functions, you understand half of what security teams investigate daily. Average timeline here is 12 to 18 months in IT support to SOC analyst roles, which pays around $65,000 to $80,000 in the US. Path 2 is network engineer to network security engineers. If you understand routing, switching and firewalls and VPN, you are 70% of the way to network security. According to Cisco's 2024 Security Outcomes Study, network engineers transition to security roles faster than any other IT discipline because they already understand traffic flow and segmentation. And there are skills overlap here like firewall rules, network segmentation, VPN configuration, traffic analysis, etc. Path 3 takes you from system administrator to security engineer. Do you manage Windows or Linux servers? You understand hardening? Do you understand patch management and baseline configuration? Well, security teams need you. CIS benchmarks, STIG compliance, vulnerability remediation, it's all system administration with a security lens. Path 4 is software developer to application security engineer. This includes code review, understanding OWASP top 10, knowing how SQL injections or cross-site scripting attacks work. If you can code, AppSec is desperate for you. VeraCode's 2024 State of Software Security report shows a 43% shortage in application security professionals. Last but not least, from IT project manager to GRC analyst. GRC means governance, risk and compliance. You don't need to be technical to break into cybersecurity. If you understand frameworks, documentation, compliance requirements, and project management, GRC roles pay $70,000 to $90,000 and are massively understaffed in the US and worldwide as well. Do you see the pattern? Every IT role has a security equivalent. Use what you already know. So here's the real roadmap based on whichever path you choose. Months 1 to 6, build your IT foundations. If you have zero IT experience, start here. Get CompTIA A+ or Google IT Support Professional Certificate. A+ costs $250 and Google Cert is $49 per month on Coursera. This teaches you how computers, networks and operating systems actually work. And while studying, apply for IT help desk or technical support jobs if you're not working anywhere. Target $40,000 to $50,000 salary or anything, whatever you get. Yes, this feels like a step backward, but it's not, trust me. I spent 14 months in hardware technical support before I started working in Active Directory in 2008. And those 14 months taught me how users break things, how to troubleshoot under pressure, and how systems actually communicate. That foundation made me better at security than people who skipped it. Months 7 to 12, you need to add security knowledge. Now you get Security Plus certification. The budget is around $400 for exam and $50 to $100 for study materials. This certificate matters because it's required for government and defense contractor roles if you're in the US. But also it has a broad range of technology coverage when it comes to security. And while studying, build a home lab. Use free tools like Security Onion, Wireshark, Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Practice log analysis. It hardly costs anything and all you need is a decent laptop. Participate in Capture the Flag competition or try Hack Me and Hack the Box. They have free tiers. You are building proof of skills here. And months 13 to 18 is specialization and transition. Choose one specialization based on your current role, which means aim for SOC analyst if you're from IT support or help desk. Aim for network security if you're from network engineering. Aim for cloud security if you're in the operations. Aim for application security if you're a developer. And finally, GRC analyst if you're in project management or any sorts of compliance. Update your resume with home lab projects. Make a GitHub showing your scripts. Apply for junior roles in your chosen specialization. According to PayScale's 2025 data, junior security roles pay like $65,000 minimum depending on the location and specialization. Definitely not $120K on day one, but it's real, achievable and in demand. The cybersecurity shortage isn't going away, but it rewards the people who build foundations and not shortcuts. I know this isn't what you wanted to hear. You wanted to take this course and get hired in 90 days, right? But here's what I can give you instead. A path that actually works. I've created a complete 18-month cybersecurity career roadmap that breaks down what to study, what certifications to get, what jobs to apply for based on your current background, and the home lab projects that got people hired in cybersecurity. If you want it, I have put everything in a PDF file below. It's free, no upsell. just the real plan. And if you found this helpful and want more cybersecurity career advice, learning resources, and industry awareness to help you grow into the cybersecurity field, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. I post every week with the real insights nobody else will give you. You can also follow me on other social media and subscribe to my Substack newsletter on the latest cybersecurity updates on career, technology, and startups security. See you soon. I'm Shashi, and stop believing the shortcuts. Start building the foundation.